Om Sri Matre Namaha. I am Dr. Kullur Krishnayar from Moogambika Devasthanam. Today's Panchangam, 27th November 2025, Kritikai 11th. Thursday, Vishwavasnama Samvalsaram, Dakshinayinam, Sharathradho, Kartikeya Masam, that is Vrchika Masam, Shukla Paksham, Tithi up to 8:01 p.m., Saptami, then Ashtami. Thursday, that is Guruvasaram, Nakshatram up to 10:56 p.m. Avittam Nakshatram, then Chadaya Nakshatram. Rahugalam 1:30 to 3 p.m. Yamagandam 6 to 7:30 a.m. Guliyagalam 9 to 10:30 a.m. Good time 10:30 to 11:30 a.m. then 5 to 6 p.m. Today's sunrise as per Kerala 6:24 a.m. Chandrashtamam up to 10:50 p.m. Midhuna Rashi, then Kadaka Rashi. Shulam South. Prayachittam, Jinjiri oil, Shraddha Tithi, Saptam.